Welcome! In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus, and today I will show you how you can import contacts from your SIM card to the device. So to get started, we want to open up our contacts application. Now, as you can see, it's pulling contacts right now from my Google account. But anyway, to import our contacts, we're going to click right here on these three bars, and then we're going to select Manage Contacts, Import Contacts, Allow, and select where you want to import your contacts from. I'm going to obviously be choosing SIM card. This in turn will display all the contacts that are located on the SIM card, and I can select all of them manually. I can also quickly select all of them right here. Maybe I just want to deselect one. Anyway, once you have all the contacts selected that you want to import, click on Done. This will then give you the option to select where you want to import your contacts to. As you can see, we have a bunch of different options like our Samsung account, phone, and Google account. Choose whichever option you want to utilize. I will be selecting phone and then select Import. Now keep in mind, the option of importing to accounts only show up if you have accounts signed in. And once you import your contacts, they should be visible in your contacts list. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.